Moto G7 Power Review. An efficient, if bulky, endurance device. Motorola's G series of phones may not have all the bells and whistles of top-range smartphones, but they doesn't have the price tag of an iPhone XS or Pixel 3 either. Each member of the Moto G7 family feels designed to meet the needs of particular users, without breaking the bank, and in this regard they're attractive devices. The Moto G7 Power is the clues in the name, all about battery power. It's able to last for days on end without charging, and in that regard it feels reminiscent of a brick phone of old, with trips to the charger a relatively rare occurrence rather than a daily necessity. It's a phone for people who won't have reliable or regular access to a charger, or who will be running demanding apps for long periods of time, and don't need the most fantastic camera or hugely impressive specs. That said, the Moto G7 Power is a surprisingly capable performer for a low-end device. Its processing power and chipset are nothing to turn the nose up at, and on paper its 12MP camera is impressive for a budget phone. The camera isn't as powerful as its siblings, the G7, G7 Play and G7 Plus, but that's the trade-off for its impressive battery. Price and availability. Available in the US, UK, India, Australia and other markets. Available in March. $249, £179 $350. The Moto G7 Power is on sale worldwide, with a price tag of $249/£179, around $330. It comes in two configurations,